Welcome. In front of me is a BOCOIN K800, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from this device. So to start off, you will want to power off the phone, so hold power key and shut it off. Now as the device turns off, you can flip over the device, and on the left side you will have a tiny little gap right here where you can stick your fingernail and pull off the cover. So like so, it will come off. And then what you want to do is right here have a tiny little place where you can also put your fingernail, push the battery up and out like so, and it will come out without any problem. So that is how you take it out. And if you want to put it back in, it goes only one way. So you want to have the logo facing you with the minus and plus right here. So just on the top and just push it back in here, and it should fit no problem. Just gonna close the cover back and turn on the device. And let's just wait for the device to turn back on. Okay, now as you can see, now the device is back on. So that is how you remove the battery and also put it back in. So if you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.